Here I have Karbonn Aura, and let me show you how to here disable the back cover and the battery on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's just simply open the back cover. It's really a good method to force restart on your device. Let's use this cavity and simply let's open the back cover step by step. Alright, and here you can remove the following battery by using this switcher, and that's it. You just remove the battery. Let's do it for about 5 to 10 seconds just to reset your device, and then put it back in exactly the same way. Let's close the back cover protection and simply press power key to switch on the device. The Karbonn is turning on. Alright, the home screen pops up. Now you can unlock the screen and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.